In this video, I will show you how to create a Khan Academy account. So first, go ahead and head over to Khan Academy and then click on sign up at the top right of your screen. So in here, you can select how you want to join it, such as a learner, teacher, or parent. And then you need to enter your date of birth, such as the month and the year of your birth. So once you have set that up, you can go ahead and continue with the next step. So you can actually create an account by continuing with Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, or with your email. Simply select from any of this and then go ahead and select an account that you want to connect with this. So once you have authorized the connection between your email and Khan Academy, this will redirect you into this page where you'll need to select the courses or subjects that you want to take on the application. So in here, make sure to choose a grade and then select the courses that you want to learn. So you can choose 4 to 5, and then Khan Academy will gather all the materials you'll need to learn this. So after you select the courses that you want to learn, simply click on that continue with that 4 courses button, and then you can go ahead and start learning your lessons with Khan Academy. And that is how you can basically create an account on Khan Academy.